Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if you are not able to log in to a single account present on your Windows 10. So basically, when you go to login screen, you see sign in link, and if you click, nothing happens. After that, just a rotating animation, and a few moments later, the sign in link is restored. So how to fix this issue without reinstalling your Windows 10, we will see in this video. So first of all, shut down your system. Now quickly start your system 2 times and shut it down at Windows logo, and at the third time Windows will boot into preparing automatic repair mode. On this screen, few moments later, you will see that your PC did not start correctly. Then click the advanced options button, then click troubleshoot. Select advanced options. Now select command prompt. Now select an account to continue with command prompt. Now type in that account password and click continue. Now in the command prompt, simply type net user administrator /active column yes and press the enter key. Once the command is completed successfully, you can close the command prompt. Basically, this command activates the built-in administrator account, so you can easily manage your system with that account. So now reboot your system. After rebooting, you will be seeing another account named as administrator on the login screen. So simply select that administrator account. Now since this is the built-in administrator account, you should be able to log in without entering any password, and once you log in to that account, you will be able to manage other account very easily. So you can delete or create a new account for your system, and this can be easily helpful to resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.